Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so excited because I'm going to be trying out the new Whitney and Tarte little collab that they have going on. If you guys do not know who Whitney is, please pause this video and go follow her on YouTube, on Instagram. She does amazing workout videos. I follow a lot of her workout videos. I get a lot of questions on what workouts I do at the gym, and I do follow a lot of her workouts, so definitely recommend following her. I'm sure you guys know who she is. So she collabed with Tarte to bring this eyeshadow palette. It has a highlight and a blush in it, and also a mascara. Oh, and it has a lipstick as well. So I figured I would play with this on camera for you guys. It just came in the mail today. I did pay for this, and I don't know if it's still available. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would do so down below. And if you guys want to see me test out these products, then why don't we just jump right in. Alright, so first of all, I just want to say this packaging is so cute. It has like workout stuff on it. So freaking cute. So when you open it up, it does come with a mirror. You have these eyeshadows, which are so pretty, and then you have a blush and a highlight. So I'm going to play with the eyeshadow first, and then I'm also going to be using the mascara that it comes with. I don't think I've ever tried this Tarte mascara, the Man Eater one, so we're going to try this, and then we're also going to play with this lipstick. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in. So I do want to quickly mention that I obviously have my face done already. So if you guys are wondering what else is on my face, I will have all the products I used down below. So let's just jump right in. This palette, you guys, so freaking cute. So this is what the palette looks like. You have your mattes, you have shimmers. So I feel like this is really simple and easy to create a look using these colors, which is what she was going for. She kind of wanted it to be like a palette on the go. The first shade I'm going to use is this Tone Up shade. I am going to be using a Morphe M443 brush. I personally love Tarte eyeshadows. I love the Tartelette and Bloom palette. I really like their shadows. I think they blend out really nicely, and this one so far seems to be blending out just as good as all the other Tarte palettes that I have. So we're just going to work this kind of messily all into the crease. Don't be afraid to bring your eyeshadow up high. I feel like that really smokes the look out and makes it look just really like blown out and blended. So don't be afraid to bring that shade up. I would honestly just throw on mascara and go with this because this is a perfect crease shade. I really love this shade so far. It just works. I like this shade because it has warmth to it, but it's not like orange and it's not like too neutral. So this is like a perfect shade to just throw in the crease and go. I would personally just put on mascara and go for like an everyday look with this. It's a really pretty shade. So now I think what I'm going to do is go into the shade Reps, which is right here. So now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the Small Tapered Sigma Blending E15 or E45, and I'm going to dip into that darker Rep shade right here, and this is going to go into the crease. Yeah, you guys, so far I really love the way these are blending. They are just like the other Tarte shadows that I've used in the past. Really easy to work with. Took like 2 seconds. And then I will go back to the other brush that I had, and I'll just kind of blend those two together so that they mesh. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is go into the shade Cut, which is this like neutral light shade, and I am just going to put that around the edges just to further blend. I don't really need to do this, but I figured since the color's in here, might as well use it. So I'm just going to blend the outer crease with that. And then I am going to go in and just add a little bit more of that darker shade. And then I'm going to go back into that first crease shade we used, and I am just going to apply a little bit more of that kind of on the outside just so it has like a nice gradient. Alright, now with my finger, I am going to go into the shade Trainer, which is like this gorgeous kind of like, it's almost like a rosy gold shade. And I'm just going to tap this and put this on to my lid. I love doing looks like this all the time where I just do like matte in the crease and then I just pat on kind of like a bronzy shade for my lid. So I will say with this palette, if you are a makeup lover and you have a ton of eyeshadow palettes, I don't think you need this palette because there are so many just neutral shades that you can probably find in other palettes. But I did want to support Whitney and I did like the idea of the palette, so that's why I got it. And if you are someone that loves neutral shades like this, you're going to love this palette. It's super easy to use. Like I said, you can just throw that first shade into the crease and go. I kind of want to use like all of the colors, so I think I'm going to go into the cardio shade, which is right here. And I think I'm just going to put a little bit of that like right on top of it, just to kind of, I don't know, just to use it. So the only shade I didn't use was Snatched, which is like a really nice kind of like mauve-y shade, which I love using colors like that. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on my lower lash line. I'm just going to do the same exact shades that we used in the crease and just smoke the lower lashes out. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it for the eyes. I think I'm going to go in with this mascara. This is the Man-Eater mascara that it comes with. So we are just going to apply that. I did already curl my lashes if you were curious. Alright, so this is the before and after. Obviously, that's such a difference. I do have to say I do like this mascara. I am pretty picky with mascaras, but I definitely do like this one. So that is the mascara. It's safe to say I do actually really like that mascara, and I'm definitely going to keep using it. Alright, so next up, I do want to use the blush and highlight in this palette. I'm really excited because she was raving about this highlight. I'm going to go into the shade Sweat, which is this blush. And I'm just going to apply this right onto my cheeks. These are super pigmented. This blush is actually really pigmented and really pretty. I really like the color of that. So now we are going to dive into this highlight, which Whitney seems to really love. She was raving about it. So I'm going to pack that onto my brush and let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, she was not messing around when it came to highlight. We all know that Whitney loves to glow, so of course she had to have a highlight that would pack a punch, and this definitely does. Very pigmented. Applies really smoothly, too. So I'm going to apply that just down the bridge of my nose and also on the tip of my nose. And I will apply it just like a little bit onto my forehead and my chin and everywhere else. Okay, we are glowing. Do I look like Whitney yet? I also did my makeup kind of inspired by her. She doesn't wear like a lot of eyeliner or anything. She just wears like her eyeshadow and mascara. So I just want to look like her. So, alright, so next up we have the lipstick to try. This is in the shade Bare Bud, and this packaging is so cute. It has little sneakers on it. Like, are you kidding me? And it looks like it's going to be like a really nice kind of like glossy finish to it. I don't know what finish this is, but it has almost like a sheen to it. So we're going to just apply straight to the lip. I really like the scent of this. It has like a minty scent to it, and this applied so smoothly. It feels so buttery and creamy. I forgot to add highlight to my inner corner, so I'm just going to quickly do that. Cannot forget the inner corner highlight. So this is the finished look, you guys. I have to say I'm really happy with this little collab that she did with Tarte. I really loved how the eyeshadows blended. They look super pretty. The blush and the highlight were definitely a thumbs up for me. I love that she included that in this palette. A really easy, simple palette. This is something I'm going to be grabbing for a lot because it's going to create, it's like a 2-in-1. You get your eyeshadow, your blush, your highlight. It's awesome. So really recommend if they are still selling this. I definitely recommend it. I think it's a really great palette. I would even buy this alone just for the highlight. It's such a pretty shade. Definitely not a subtle highlight, that's for sure. I really do like this mascara as well. I'm glad I got to try it in the little tester size. I'll probably buy the full size, and I do really like this lipstick formula. Super creamy, easy to throw in your bag, just apply, gives you a nice nude pink finish. So I am a huge fan of this palette. I just want to say congratulations to Whitney for creating a beautiful collab. So that was everything for this video. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!